That water's going to go all over us, Matt. It's the news, I think. Or is it going to drop it now? It's definitely the news, that. Fucking look at that smoke, man. That is unreal. Why are the police not here?
Yeah. Like, can't see me.
When you see it on the news and that, you don't think, no, we won't see anything like that. Well, we've seen this one.
Man, you have to stay at work.
Yeah.
Snapchat it, mate. How's this happen?
Fucking hell, shit myself then, Matt. Fuck! Fucking hell, I absolutely shit myself. That's a fucking gas tank, let's go, Matt. I hope no one's hurt. Fucking that was absolutely shit.
Put it over there. Let's get out of here.
Fuck, let's go, man. Fucking hell, oh my god. Let's go. Let's go, Matt. Fucking hell. Fucking bomb, man.